Download and install OBS Studio. The following guides can be helpful in setting up the software. Download the Virtual Webcam tool. Create scenes and add source layers using the plus buttons. Layer sizes may be adjusted using drag and drop or by right-clicking and using the transform function. You can also crop using transform. Add your webcam as the top layer. Adjust the sliders on the chroma key filter to remove the green from the video. Try to avoid clothing with shades of green. Open your PowerPoint, which will be captured on your second screen layer or window capture layer.